Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's New Providence Primary from Kingston up against Esher Primary from Hanover. I'm your host, TK Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss. New Providence Primary won and decided to send in Esher Primary first. So we begin with Esher Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge for you, Esher Primary. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are the pure in heart. Question passes to New Providence. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's for they shall see God. New Providence Bible knowledge for you. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are the merciful.
Yes, for they shall be comforted.
That's incorrect. It's for they shall obtain mercy. Esher Science, what's the name for the development of a plant from a seed? Question passes to you, New Providence. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's germination. New Providence Science for you. What's the name for the root that grows from a germinating seed in a plant?
A shoot. Is it a shoot? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. A shoot?
That's incorrect. It's the radical. Esher Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Defense? Time's up. New Providence, want to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's Most Honorable Andrew Holness. New Providence, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Attorney General?
Attorney General. Does anybody know that? No, just I don't know.
Question passes to Esher. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Dr. Derek McCoy. Esher, still with you in English language. Change the following sentence to the past tense. I am at school today.
I was at school today.
That is correct. New Providence, English language. Change the following sentence to the present continuous tense. We went to the party on Saturday.
We are at the party on Saturday. We are at the party on Saturday.
That's incorrect. It's we are going to the party on Saturday. Esher Theatre. Who was known as Jamaica's first lady of comedy?
Louise Bennett. Louise Bennett. No. I don't think so. Pass.
Question passes. New Providence, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Louise Bennett.
Accepted, or Louise Bennett Coverley. That is correct. New Providence Theatre. Which Jamaican entertainer was known as Mas Ran?
You can know that? No.
Question passes. Esher, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Ranny Williams. Esher, general knowledge. What's the capital of Puerto Rico?
No. Me neither. No.
Time's up. New Providence, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's San Juan. New Providence, general knowledge. What's the capital of Grenada?
Do you guys know the capital of Grenada? Okay, just say Kingstown? Yes, say Kingstown.
That's incorrect. It's St. George's. Esher, social studies. Which Caribbean country became a republic in 1976?
Dominica.
That's incorrect. It's Trinidad and Tobago. New Providence, social studies. Which Caribbean country became a republic in 1970?
Puerto Rico.
That's incorrect. It's Guyana. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are New Providence Primary on 1 and Esher Primary also on 1. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.